Hello! This is Series 7, Episode 1. I just said goodbye to the kids, because I have 2 little boys. Not sure if I'm going to rate this navigation app, but we'll give it a go. We're on our way though. We can buy stuff along the route if it comes to it. It's not like I'm going to another world. Oh, I've got new brake pads and they feel 10 times better. The reason I'm back is because my coffee just spilled everywhere, so I had to drink it. So I pulled up. I really wanted to save it for like an hour in, but that did not happen, did it? Look at this place though, stunning. These houses are not cheap. Well, anyway, let's get to the super sausage. Who doesn't love a super sausage? You forget how good some of the roads in the UK are. This is just absolutely crazy out here. I wish I'd done a bit of video about there. Some of the roads are amazing. Look at this road, it's stunning. It's a shame it's raining, really. Some of the roads are so smooth, so quiet. This is pretty. That angle, that's that. Is that a good angle? Angle from dangle? Probably been in the wrong angle all the time. No one crossing. Nope. Wow. Look at the builders up there, brickwork. Absolutely stunning. I've come down this road and there seems to be someone else off on a tour. Let's go see if we can catch them up. They're on a sports bike, so it's unlikely, and I'm on 50 brake horsepower's worth of F650 GS. Go on, open her up, there we go. So much beauty in just the UK, you know? Don't need to go to Spain. The only reason I go to Spain is for the reliable weather, that's the thing. Are you alright? Where are you off to? Scarborough? Road safe. Love the bike. I love meeting new people. Right. Well, here we are. Nice to meet you. Whee! That was close. Well, we've got 4 miles to come off this beautiful road. Look at this though, absolutely stunning. Sure, I would have done what I did before, which was 9 days, but my brother doesn't want to go for that long because he's soft and a wet flannel. So having to really cram it in, which isn't great. Wow, wow. Look at this place. This is beautiful. Winslow. Wow. It's called an ancient market town. God, crikey, get it out. They've obviously either swept the streets or it's rained here. I think they've swept the streets. I had a bit of a moment there, did you see that? I wasn't very sure in the bike, on wet, that was the first time. Well, I win that race. Fucking boots, trying to find neutral.
What time do you call this?
Update, we have finished our sausage feast. We are now making our way onto our lunch stop. I might upgrade my... No!
Hello, Steve.
I can hear you.
Might you upgrade?
I might upgrade my gloves. Well, I'm not in.
Let's ride.
I'm not in South Africa. Heater gloves on. I think we're ready to go. You ready? Let's do it. I'm going to talk about faffing about. We're going right here. How wet are we going to get? Hopefully not too wet. We're on our way. What a way to start the day. Sorry that you got to see through the screen, but that's the way it is today, I'm afraid, because it's fucking miserable. 197 miles left to go. Fucking A. Right, so we've made it all the way up the M1 to Chatsworth House. We've got 112 miles left to go. So we're at Chesterfield, which is a decent amount up north.
Let's ride.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, you bastard! Ah! Here's my brother. Last one. It smells warm round here. We're out in the countryside now. In the ocean. That's a nice view. Lovely. Wow. Out here, no houses. It's windy, I tell you that. You can feel the wind come funneling through this valley. So anyway, we've just visited Ladybower Reservoir. We went and saw the sinkholes. We're now about 2 hours away from Blackpool, and yeah, the bikes are going well. Got the bike still fine. My brother's, he's in there having a poo. We're now going to go to Derwent Dam, which will be good, and we'll see you there. So that was quite cool. I like seeing that, and it's good to stretch the legs. So we're heading through that gap over there. Can't believe I made it here in a day, really. We've done a long way. So I did 206 miles on the last tank. I'm up to 30 already. 236 miles. To be honest, I feel quite good. Even though I'm back on the bike, I feel good about it. Oh, we're going over this famous bridge, Ladybower Bridge. There we go, look. Wow. Wowee. What a view. Wow. How cool is that? So anyway, let's go and have a look at Derwent Dam. This place is amazing. Love it. Look at this. Here we are. Here we are at Derwent Dam. I've led today because Daniel's vagina was sandy, so he didn't want to do the first day. You're sandy your vagina, you're like, I'll do the second day. And so I did the first day, met him at Super Sausage. We've ridden for about...
Let's start again, shall we? Delete that and start again. Can you delete it?
There's a mosquito. I'll send it your way.
I knew it. I knew there were some.
Is it a mosquito? No, it's a little bug. We're having our coffees. There's a duck over there. You probably can't hear this because the microphone's inside, but we're about to go for a little walk up the dam and...
Are we? Walking?
Up the dam.
Feet?
Up the dam. Up the face of the dam.
On my feet?
Yeah.
Oh,
he likes to slide around on his slime. Anyway, so...
This isn't going well.
No.
This isn't your best content.
No.
Oh
well. There's a nice toilet over there. Straight to the strip club.
I don't know if I packed stuff for a strip club.
You're in it. This is waterproof, isn't it? If you get a bit of jizz on you, you'll be fine. Oh, that was amazing. Oh, it's so warm now. It's like too warm. Turn the heater grips off. Look at this place though, it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. See the clouds up there hanging? Well, I hope it doesn't rain for the rest of the trip, that'd be nice. The reason I've got the camera on is somewhere around this corner there was an absolutely stunning view. Look at this view around there. This is just absolutely stunning. Ladybower Bridge. Oh, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Right, so we're going down Snake Road. This is just, oh my lord. Bah. It's weird, it's like, oh look, the fucking road's gone. Just washed away. Crikey. That's mad. That's like rainfall. We are still on State Pass. Just meandering our way up State Pass. Some magnificent roads around here. Oh, there we go, that's better. No cars in front of us now. Lovely. Pretty barren up here. State Pass, so there we go. Oh, it's glorious. Wow. Tell you what though, oh, it's windy. front. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool view. Nice road. Sure it's not dry. Oh, I do. Saying that, I think it is dry other than... Is a lovely road. What have we got left? 1 hour 57 minutes, less than 2 hours. Welcome to Bolton. This is nice. Very nice. Sorry? He's such an idiot. Right, so that was nice. That was...
Favourite coffee stop so far?
We've only done 2. I don't know if you can see any of this because it's just so wet. So wet. Look at it. Look at this. Look how fucking miserable it is.
What's the rule? What's the rule?
Not to pull it up your bum.
The other rule.
Oh, the other rule. Don't be moaning.
No moaning.
He says the rule's not to moan, and he moans about me moaning.
Like and subscribe for more quality material.
What?
Like and subscribe. Click that bell.
Where is that bell?
Down there.
Oh, okay. God forbid. If you click that bell, you're going to be in for a hell of a shit show. What's the rule? What's the fucking rule? Tell you what the fucking rule is, don't go to fucking Scotland. Also, the other rule is don't fucking park in forwards, you twat. Look at it. Absolutely pissing it down. Right. 55 minutes to go. We're coming into Johnny. This has been nice. This is really nice out here.
The sun's out, Steve.
What?
It's summer in Scotland.
What? We're not in Scotland. What is that thing in the sky? Oh, grunty. I can see the seaside. Woo woo woo, we made it! We're 4 minutes from the hotel, down the seafront. Oh. Welcome to Blackpool! Here we are, away! Imagine living on the front of there. It'd be weird, wouldn't it? Wow. At least I can say I've seen the Northern Lights. Wow, mental. There it is.
Oh my god, last time, do you remember you hit me when I mentioned the word octopus?
I don't recall that.
I do.
But this
this is... I've got a video. I never put it in because
No, I don't know what you're talking about. But what a great T-shirt, eh?
Oh, what are you going to order for
Seaside.
dinner tonight?
I don't know. I thought I might have some seafood of some description.
This one. Octopi.
They're really very intelligent creatures.
Yeah. This is the quality of the TV and oh, look at the panel boarding. I mean,
Camping goes horribly wrong.
what it's called.
TV show.
Right, and this is our view out the window. I am actually stood here in my pants, so you're not going to see me. This is the massive bird strike on the window. Pedestrians, lots of pedestrians, and there's me. So we made it to Blackpool. It was around about 6 hours riding actually, which wasn't bad. We stopped for 4 times, and yeah, it was quite relaxed actually.